Our parenting lesson today is going to be taken from the Bible. You know, the Bible is actually the best book we can use to teach our children, the best manual. And Proverbs chapter 20 verse 20 says, from New Living Translation of the Bible, if anyone curses his father or his mother, his light shall be snuffed out in total darkness. King James Version of the Bible puts it this way, whoso curseth his father or his mother, his lamp shall be put off in obscure darkness. So you don't need to banter words with that insultive child, that boy or that girl that has no respect. You don't need to banter words with them. Just give them the scripture. If they want their light to be put out in total darkness, let them continue insulting their parents. You may just send it as text message to him or her. You may make a beautiful frame and spank it somewhere they will say it. You may just make it a slogan in your family. But just know that a child that insults his parents will have his life snuffed out. Note, it is not the parents that will snuff out the light. Destiny will snuff out their light. Their creator may snuff out their life. Circumstances will put them in total darkness. That's a very important parenting lesson, especially those days that we have children who walk out on their parents or behave as if their parents do not care, do not matter to them. Please follow this YouTube channel if you have not done so. Shalom.